Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Qamar MoonBoy channel, and this is a new video for you. Do like my video so that I can create more for you by clicking on this like button, and also subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, and also press on the bell icon if you are not getting this notification for my channel. You will get a notification every time I upload a new video. Thank you.
Now I will show you how to draw the staircase. Go to the plan view, row 7, and select the 4 columns where you want to draw the staircase. See that here all stories is on, and I will draw. I want to draw the staircase. Let us say in this part. So clear selection. In this part I will just select these 4 columns with the beams, and I'll go to edit. I'll go to view, and I will select show selected objects only, and only this part will be visible now. Now I will go to draw, and I will go to snap options. Here I will select the midpoints. I'll press apply and close. Now at each midpoint of the columns I will draw the beam where the staircase slab will be landing. So I will be taking this side. This side I will be taking the middle beam in this. So here I will select the F axis. I'll go to the elevation view in the F axis, and now I will add the mid landing beams. So let us define a staircase beam, or we will use the same beam, that is concrete beam 230 by 450 or 230 by 600. Now we will go to draw beam, and we will use the concrete beam 230 by 600, and we can make it simply supported. We'll go to one story, and I will I'll go to draw beam, and I will select that beam 230 by 600 pinned. Now I will just draw from this midpoint to this midpoint. Again I will draw here. It is very necessary to draw midpoint one by one floor, because if your floor stories height is changing, so this mid landing will not be at the center of the column. Or you can splice the column. You can draw a grid at every mid center of the floors, and you can have that grid line, and in that grid line you can just click, and the beam will be drawn on that grid line. So there are several different procedures for drawing these kind of beams in between. So just go out of the draw menu. Now you can see that all these beams have been drawn. Now you can start drawing the staircase slab from here and to up to here, then from here to here. Like that, if you go on drawing, you can go to the from the bottom to the top floor. Let us check the floor heights. So first two floor heights are 2.8. So this, if I draw here from plinth level to cellar level, I can copy that to cellar to ground also. Then I have to draw again to for floor 1. Then I can copy up to floor 7. So like that we can draw the floor slabs. So see that one story is on, and because of all these grid lines, I cannot able to work inside. So what I will do is I will go to show grid lines visibility, will show it off. Now we can draw the slab. Now we will go to define, and we will define a slab section for staircase. That is slab 125 one way is there. Now select this draw floor option, select the slab 125 one way, and the local axis you change to 90 degrees. Now you select start drawing the slab from the midpoint to the midpoint of this beam. Then come to the corner of the column, come to the bottom point and go to the midpoint. Now this slab has been drawn. Now again do the same thing from this floor to top. See that you are working in a 3D plane, so be careful while selecting the points, otherwise it will be an error. Just we want to verify in which direction this slab orientation axis is. We go to assign, we go to shell, we will go to local axis. We'll just apply and we will click on OK. Now we can see that local axis, that always this blue axis should be, and this x axis should be in this direction. So I have changed the local axis to 90 degrees. So you can see this, the red is always marking towards the top of the sloped slab, that is staircase slab. Here also you can see. So this is in this because in this direction only the main reinforcement will be, and the distribution will be in this direction. So like that you can have the staircase slabs, and you can give the loading on this staircase slabs. Continuously draw for this 2 floor, you can copy. Again you can draw for the third floor, and you can copy for the from bottom to the top floor by using this option, replicate. So like similarly you draw for all the floors and design and give the loading. By the bending moments you can design these slabs. The bending moment it will find from the loading, and from using that bending moment you can get the reinforcement. So this is how you are going to draw the lift and the staircase.
Hi friends, uh, let's start with this video. In the previous video I have shown about how to draw a staircase. In that I have forgot to mention how to draw the mid landing. So that is a very simple. You have to just copy the mid landing beam to a distance of 1 meter or 1.5 meter, and then you have to draw a mid landing slab over that, and you have to connect that with the mid landing column supports, so that you can use that mid landing in the staircase. So that is similar. If you don't understand, you can mail me. I can clarify this doubt with another video in the correspondence. Let us just start with this video. In this video I am going to show about how to load the building and do analysis using this structure. In this structure I will change the diaphragm D that is none to D1 diaphragm, and I will make it as a semi-rigid diaphragm so that I can show you what are the warnings coming in this. And similarly, just for the verification, I will show you how to clarify with the warnings and how to get rid of it and do the analysis without using any without thinking about the warnings. So these warnings are nothing but generated due to the procedure you are following while using, like you are using a diaphragm, rigid diaphragm or semi-rigid diaphragm.